Hey everyone, I'm so happy you're here with me today. If you're new here, hi, my name is Marissa and I am the host of Wellness from Scratch. Thanks for being here and welcome. You guys, we did it. Together we did it. We hit 5,000 subscribers. I am just so thankful and grateful for each and every one of you that's here with me, and I'm so excited to celebrate this with you because this movement, this is about us, about growth, and about building a life that truly feels good. When I started this channel, it was just a little spark, a hope that maybe my journey would help someone else feel a little less alone, or a little stronger, or more inspired. And to see this community grow into what it is now is mind-blowing. So I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for joining this journey with me and becoming the best versions of ourselves. So if you're new here, grab a drink and stay a while. This space is where we talk about real self-improvement, not perfection, but progress, not hustle culture, but heart culture. We dive into building resilience, mindset shifts, and creating a life that doesn't just look good on the outside, but truly feels good on the inside too. And because of you and because of this milestone, I'm so excited. I've got some upcoming news. We're going to be diving into a new series every other week, and we've got more deep dives into emotional resilience, practical tools for tough days, and maybe even some live Q&As, because I want to hear your stories, your struggles, and your wins too. So whether you've been here since day one or have just stumbled upon my videos, thank you for being here with me, and I am so excited to see where this journey takes us. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and join the community. I'm so happy we're growing together. Drop a comment below and let me know what types of things you want me to go into on this channel. I mean, I kind of look at this as a group effort in a way, because we're all trying to be better. So let me know what you guys think and I'll look into it. Until next time, keep shining, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.